It's a pretty fantastic event.
It's very informative.
It exceeded my expectation completely.
It's a really good summit.
I see a lot of international people participate.
The people here are very professional.
New ideas, new discussions, and many leaders of the industry is here.
A big number of different companies are presenting, which is good.
At the same day, right, meet not only one person, not only one company, but many companies, right, which is definitely helpful for our business development.
You have top-notch people, expert as well as the management level, which you need to interact with to make things happen.
There's so many new players now, so it's a very good event. We kind of know new friends and explore new opportunities.
It's finally good to be back traveling in China. So a lot of good discussions, the agenda and the presentation set up by ISES, very well done.
One of the best events with lots of relevant people, leaders in the industry to exchange ideas, to collaborate.
We can meet each other here, meaning with a lot of friends, old friends, new friends. That's most important, to exchange information, to talk about the future.
The energy in the presentation and with the subjects covered, you really hit the nail on the top.
So I see lots of frontiers in both China and the US industry. They introduce lots of advanced technologies here.
Yeah, I think all the speeches are very well prepared. Really see the whole need for the power semiconductor and the industry developments, the trends, the technologies, the advantage. I think it's all perfect.
Yeah, I think this is a good window for us to know something international.
I was with you guys already a few years and I enjoy a lot. It's very excited, right? Being here, right? And discussing about the projects, discussing about the opportunities and sharing, let's say, information about the technologies.
For the first time since I follow the talks of the esteemed colleagues here, I found mentions of emissions, sustainability, and taking responsibility in the presentations of my colleagues. That's new, and it's about time, actually.
This is a very good opportunity for us to show our company. It provides a very good chance to show what is our strategy of our company.
I like the panel best. I think it's a very good window for us to communicate and discuss with lots of fellows around the world.
It's CTO to CTO, CEO to CEO kind of relationship. I can say, yeah, well done.
I think it is very tough to meet that amount of people with that quality in one space if you would organize this yourself.
It is the place to be if you want to accelerate your business and be successful in this area.
I will continue to join this conversation in the next year.
I will recommend SES to my fellows.